I'm feeling real good right now. Today is about to be a good day. So today is about to be a good day because I woke up and I said today is about to be a good day. So what you need to do is make that day a good day, all right? It's too many times that we wake up and say, hey, I'm gonna have a bad day today. You need to start waking up and saying that you're gonna have a blessed day, a good day, a phenomenal day. So I'm not gonna lie, when I get up and I'm here and I'm the only one here in the morning, it gets a little lonely, all right? But at the same time, I prep my day. I get everything prepped before the client comes through the door. That's just what I like to do. I like to clean my instruments. I don't wanna get in the shop when my client gets in the shop because therefore, you know, that's time wasted. It's 9 o'clock, my appointment is at 9, and you know what I mean? I'm fiddling around with my stuff. I like to just open up and have my clients just come straight to the chair and I'm ready. Let's try this again. Nehemiah. Nehemiah.
ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for.
We good now, huh? We good? High five. High five? No? Okay, that was enough? One more time. One more time. Give me one more time. No? Dang, it looked like you said it. So right now I got some downtime. If I'm not cutting, I'm brushing. Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. The will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. Go.
You gotta do it.
You guys are up next. You guys are up next. Who's up first? Fish, why are you always up first? Why not your kids? Why not the kids, right? Fish, I got you.
I'm trying to be discovered also, dude.
Alright, you guys. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that mohawk that I just did, let me know in the comment section below.
Check it out.
Alright, you guys, what you need to know is AJ came back, okay? He came back all the way from New York. He ended up coming back and bringing his whole family. You know what I mean? I just cut the dad, and now his brother is getting another one. Alright, about to change his life. Let's go. So just like AJ, when you guys see him, Ethan is gonna be Ethan Smooth, Ethan, I don't know. I don't know. You guys in the comment section, let me know after the cut. Let's go. All right, and just like that, here's the finished product. You like it? Yeah? All right, we out.